Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate all you guys stopping by. I hope your Tuesday morning is off to a good start. As you probably can realize, I got a new mic. Hopefully it sounds a little bit better than previous videos. I'm still trying to work out the different settings and stuff, but hopefully my audio sounds a little bit better than prior videos. But let's get right back into the forecast for today. This is Tuesday morning here, and as you can see, these showers have left the East Coast, portions of South Carolina, North Carolina. These are going to end this morning. And then going into this afternoon, it's going to get really nice across most of the country, as it's going to get really warm, especially up here in the Northeast, central New York here. We're looking at highs in the low 60s tomorrow. You can see there is going to be a little cool down across portions of the Midwest tomorrow, and that will continue into the Northeast on Wednesday, but not much of a cool down as it is expected, and that will quickly rebound. It looks like going into Thursday. This is Wednesday afternoon here. Maybe a couple snow showers and rain showers across the Northeast here on Wednesday afternoon, but I'm not expecting much in the way of snow accumulation. And then this is going into Thursday, and you can see that atmospheric river is already impacting portions out west. This is early Thursday morning here. Snow showers occurring all the way up and down the west coast, with snow at the higher elevations in the mountaintop terrains. Sierra Nevada could pick up a couple feet of snow through this week, which is pretty crazy to see. And all the mountains out west could pick up snow from this event, especially the ones at higher elevations. And then this is going to Friday morning here. And you can see here's that low pressure, and this is where it's going to rapidly deepen. 977, 974. This Friday afternoon here. The 974. So GFS model still showing that maybe it's not going to get super deep, but it's still going to be a very strong storm nonetheless. 974 millibar low pressure system right out of the Rockies. That's a rare occurrence. You do not see that too often. And this is when you're going to see that line of storms and thunderstorms pop up. Looks like Friday evening going to Saturday night, and it could be a nocturnal severe weather event. So we'll keep you posted on that, but it looks like these thunderstorms are not going to go until later in the day on Friday. That are going to continue through Saturday or Friday night into early Saturday morning, and that is when our probably severe potential is going to be at its highest. You're going to see blizzard conditions on the northwest side of this low. This is going to occur in South Dakota and North Dakota. With those isobars so close together, there'll be some strong wind gusts with snow, creating blizzard conditions. And this is going to Saturday morning here. Your low pressure, 973 now, even a little bit stronger. And then you're going to bring that blizzard conditions now further east into portions of western Minnesota. You can see that first line of thunderstorms fizzles out, but this is Saturday afternoon here and going to Saturday evening. And there you go again, another area of thunderstorms. This is where our next potential is for severe weather, going from Saturday night into Sunday night. So as it looks as of now, it looks like our severe weather is going to be Friday night and Saturday night, which is pretty interesting to see. It looks like it's both going to be evening time severe weather potential on both of those evenings. This is all through Sunday. So this is like Sunday at like 2 a.m. So early Sunday morning, or you could say late Saturday night. But this is 998 millibar low pressure system here. You can see the first one kind of goes off to the north into southern Canada. Second one here pops up obviously in the deep south, and this is going to go north as well here. And there's your thunderstorm potential. This is going into Sunday morning here. And maybe even Sunday afternoon could see a third day severe weather across portions of the East Coast. And then this is going to Sunday evening, and you can see these storms eventually make their way off the coast Monday morning. And then you're going to see that cold air now back in place. After this, it's uncertain what's going to happen. We just got to get past this first major storm system, and then we'll start forecasting for next week. But what we know of is a couple of days of severe weather look likely this next weekend, and maybe even some blizzard conditions possible in the west. So this is the day 5 Storm Prediction Center outlook, and this is for Friday here. I'm actually recording this video Monday night, so this will be the day 4 outlook when you're seeing this. I'm not expecting much to change from Monday night to Tuesday morning here. But this is the day 5 outlook, which will be the day 4 tomorrow. And you still got that 30% risk across Memphis, Tennessee, Little Rock, Arkansas, Jackson, Tennessee, North Little Rock, and Jonesboro, Arkansas. That includes portions of Illinois, Missouri, Arkansas, Mississippi, and Tennessee, and even a little portion of Kentucky. It's all around those, where all those states meet right in there. And then this is going to be your day 5 outlook here. And you can see another 30% enhanced risk of severe weather. This is, again, in the deep south, and this is highlighting portions of Mississippi and Alabama. Again, I expect these potentials to grow, and I think there's definitely a possibility for some stronger storms even than what we saw last week. And that severe weather threat and even tornado threat is definitely on the table. So this is the CAPE map, which stands for Convective Available Potential Energy, which basically means potential energy for tornadoes and thunderstorms and severe weather alike. So the more CAPE, the more potential for severe weather. So this is Friday morning here, and I'll show you, look at this is Friday, early afternoon, late afternoon, and this is early Saturday morning. This is like around midnight on Friday. And there's your convective available potential energy here, stretching all the way from Louisiana into Wisconsin and even Minnesota. So that potential is there for that severe weather. And you can see here, this is going to Saturday. This is Saturday afternoon here. Maybe even a little bit more energy in the deep south here on Saturday. Again, giving that potential for that severe weather. And look at this. This is Saturday afternoon here. A lot of convective available potential energy across portions of Louisiana and Mississippi. This could be your spot for severe weather on Saturday. It'll be interesting to see what happens with that. And then this is going to Sunday here. And again, you still have some up the eastern seaboard. And it doesn't look like there's a potential for a large severe weather outbreak on Sunday, but I think there is that potential for some scattered severe storms on Sunday as well. But from now, what I'm seeing, it looks like Friday night and Saturday night are going to be your big days for severe weather. Here's your temperatures expected over the next couple of days. I'll play this quickly for you guys. This is going into this afternoon, Tuesday afternoon here. And it's going to be nice across most of the country. Look at highs in the mid and upper 60s, even in portions of Pennsylvania and southern New York. It's not too often this time of year. There's that cold blast from Canada coming down on Wednesday. But it's going to quickly warm right back up here. This is going to Thursday. Look at portions of Texas here. This is Friday. Look at that. Portions of Texas Friday afternoon reaching highs above 100 degrees expected. Even highs here in Minnesota, 70 degrees. But we could even see some snow going into Saturday. It's going to be a pretty crazy turnaround. Look at this. Those places that just saw 70 degrees on Friday, this is Saturday afternoon. You're looking at highs 27 degrees. Could be up to a 50% temperature swing in less than 24 hours in portions of Minnesota. You do not see that too often. So going to Saturday here, that cold air coming back in as this low pressure system moves through. Cold air dropping back south into the U.S. And this is your highs expected on Monday afternoon. Going to be cooler across much of the U.S., but this cold air, I don't think it's going to stick around for long. Time will tell, but I think we're going right back to warm weather and warmer conditions once this low pressure system moves through. Here's quickly your snowfall that we can maybe expect from this upcoming system. Again, details are a little bit sketchy on where these blizzard conditions are going to set up, but I think there's definitely going to be blizzard conditions, and I think we have a pretty good idea that there's going to be a decent swath of snow across portions of South Dakota and North Dakota. So this is what the latest GFS model run shows here. This is through Monday. There's the Sierra Nevada picking up almost 60 inches of snow. It looks like the mountains in the Sierra Nevada region are going to get hammered with snow from this atmospheric river. And then a lot of the portions out west, all the mountain tops out west are going to see snow from this. Even into the Rockies here, all of the mountains in the Rockies are going to see decent snowfall from this. 1 to 2 feet can be expected. And then there's South Dakota, North Dakota, maybe up to a foot of snow in North Dakota from this blizzard system. And look at Minnesota here. You're looking at highs maybe in the mid-60s on Friday. Saturday, you could be seeing maybe up to 6 to 8 inches of snow, which is pretty crazy to see. So could be a nice swath of snow in portions of South Dakota, North Dakota, and Minnesota. Still, it's undecided since we are still 5 to 6 days out on where the snowfall is all going to occur, but the potential is there. I thank you all for stopping by. I hope you guys have a great rest of your Tuesday. Continue to check back for daily updates on this large storm coming to the U.S. this next week, and I'll just keep you posted on what you can expect in your given location and what the forecast looks like for the rest of March, as I think it's going to be very active. Even after this large storm system moves through, I think there's going to be many more crazy storms to come throughout the month of March. So I appreciate all you guys stopping by, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.